Hi and welcome back to our little UK fish room. Today's video, the results are in for another Endler cross breeding project. Today's cross was brought to you by breeding a mint green N-class Endler male with 2 virgin female Staeck Endlers. As you can see, this cross produced a fair amount of colour variation. Some of them have vague Staeck Endler traits emerging, but are nowhere near as defined as a pure Staeck. Several of them have inherited more of a greenish base coloration of the emerald greens, but this has turned into more of a, I don't know, greyish green maybe. I guess you could say overall they have inherited traits from both strains and are a bit of a mishmash. My thoughts on this cross: I was originally hoping for a green Staeck type to pop out, but obviously that hasn't happened, and they appear more black bar Endlerish, even though you can see some circles slightly forming around the edges of the black bar on a few. I think what we're going to do with this cross is take them to the F2 generation and maybe cross one of the greener males with the most defined Staeck patterns back to a pure female Staeck, and see if we can get closer to a fish that has all the patterning of a Staeck Endler but with a completely green base colour underneath. Let us know your thoughts on this crossbreeding project, and until the next video, please do take care of yourselves.